Hey, what is sex up gonna do for you? Sex up. Like, what is that gonna do for you? Is that gonna put you in another bracket, another category, another league? What is it gonna do for you? It's gonna make you more powerful than what you was. You let these other people keep lying to you about your productivity. Sex up. Sex up. I guess as opposed to sex down, right? Which would be the opposite of that. You can lie to yourself all you want to. You can. Definitely can do that because nothing sounds better than the voice that you creating in your own head. So what else you saying to yourself? Oh, sex up, sex up, sex up, sex up. Getting yourself excited. I don't blame you. I would do that too. I would. There's not a lot of people ready for the truth. The heavy hitting truth. Come on now, light. Sex up. Yeah. Y'all know, you know it. Sex up is when you check your list, or whoever's checking their list, checking it twice and making sure that everybody's on the same page. Sex up is what you need. I still think you need to try to be as humble as possible in trying to achieve your sex up. So when you in that bed, if that's where you at, I ain't talking about nowhere else yet, just in that bed, that sex up. Everybody looking forward to a classic performance. On both sides, 3 sides, 5 sides. All right, but let's just say on both sides, for the sake of conversation. But sex up. Get your game right. Be ready. Pulling no punches because your partner is dependent on it. And if money is exchanged, the payer is going to be expecting something the buyer is going to be looking for. So sex up. So get your sex up. If that's you trying to get your name out there so that you can still get people to change the pimp game around so that you're the only one on the social media racket now making your own money. That's you getting your sex up. Not depending on anybody else to do it for you. So that's my spiel on it. So sex up is being on top of your game in more than one way. Love y'all.